Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download Sage 50 Accounting, officially and safely from Sage's official website. No cracks, no third-party websites, only 100% genuine and legal download. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Step 1. Go to the official Sage website. Open your browser and search for Sage 50 Accounting Official Download, or directly, link in description. Always download Sage 50 only from the official Sage website to avoid malware, fake versions, or corrupted installers. Step 2. Navigate to Sage 50 and download. Scroll down and find the section Download and Updates or Try Sage 50 Free. Click on it to go to the official download center. Select your Sage 50 version, Sage 50 Pro Accounting, Sage 50 Premium Accounting, Sage 50 Quantum Accounting. Then click on Download. The official installer link will now appear on your screen. Click the download button and your Sage 50 setup file will start downloading automatically. File size: 700 to 900 megabytes. Time: depends on your internet speed. Wait until the download completes fully. Once the download is finished, you can open the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to install Sage 50 on your PC. That's it! You've successfully downloaded Sage 50 Accounting directly from the official Sage website, safely and legally. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.